Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful tiny cabin? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I've taken is the width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. In the front we have 3 feet wide outdoor sitting area here. After that we'll go inside, so we have living plus kitchen come dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, chair arrangement, tea table arrangement and also a TV unit on the front wall. And we have two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go inside, so we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also on the back side a dining counter with 3 chairs and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. If we go on the left side, so we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And if we go inside, so we have bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. So this is the beautiful tiny cabin you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house designs, comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.